Hi everyone, and welcome to Scientify Talk. How much protein do athletes really need? Is more always better, or is there a science-backed approach to maximizing performance? Understanding protein metabolism is vital for athletes aiming to maximize performance, recovery, and overall health. By knowing how proteins are digested, absorbed, and utilized in the body, athletes can adjust their protein intake to align with their specific goals, whether that's building muscle, improving endurance, or losing fat. Protein metabolism also varies depending on the type and intensity of training. For example, endurance athletes need protein to repair muscle damage and support glycogen synthesis, while strength athletes require it for muscle growth and recovery. Additionally, understanding how the body handles excess protein ensures athletes can balance their diets effectively, avoiding unnecessary strain on the kidneys or unwanted fat storage. This knowledge empowers athletes to tailor their nutrition strategies, ensuring that they meet the demands of their training while optimizing recovery and minimizing risks. In this video, we'll explore how protein metabolism works, why it's crucial for athletes, and how it can be applied to improve performance and recovery, backed by scientific findings and statistics. For athletes, the journey of protein metabolism begins with digestion, a process that converts dietary proteins into amino acids, the building blocks for muscle repair and recovery. Protein digestion starts in the stomach with the enzyme pepsin, activated by gastric acid. This initial breakdown creates smaller peptides, preparing them for further digestion in the small intestine, where peptides are broken into free amino acids by pancreatic enzymes such as trypsin and chymotrypsin. These amino acids are then absorbed into the bloodstream. For athletes, consuming high-quality protein sources like whey or casein ensures efficient digestion. Studies show that whey protein, due to its rapid digestibility, leads to a 68% higher amino acid availability in the bloodstream within 30 minutes compared to whole foods. This makes whey an ideal choice post-workout, when the body's demand for amino acids peaks. Once digested, amino acids are absorbed in the small intestine and transported via the hepatic portal vein to the liver. Here, the body prioritizes amino acid use based on its needs. Amino acids are sent to muscles to repair damaged fibers caused by exercise. Research indicates that 20 to 40 grams of protein post-workout optimally stimulates muscle protein synthesis, with diminishing returns beyond this range. Amino acid absorption is facilitated by sodium-dependent transporters, which are upregulated in response to intense physical activity. This ensures efficient nutrient delivery to muscles under stress. Although carbohydrates and fats are primary energy sources for athletes, protein can contribute during prolonged or intense exercise, especially when glycogen stores are depleted. During energy scarcity, amino acids undergo deamination, where the nitrogen group is removed and the carbon skeleton is converted into glucose through gluconeogenesis. Glucogenic amino acids such as alanine and glutamine are critical for maintaining blood glucose levels during long-duration sports like marathon running. Each gram of protein provides approximately 4 kilocalories, but relying on protein for energy comes at the cost of muscle protein breakdown. Studies show that during ultra-endurance events, protein oxidation can contribute 5 to 15% of total energy expenditure, underscoring the need for adequate carbohydrate intake to spare muscle protein. Protein timing is crucial for athletes to maximize recovery and performance. Consuming 20 grams of protein with 30 to 40 grams of carbohydrates 30 to 60 minutes before training can prime the body for muscle repair and maintain blood glucose levels. The anabolic window refers to the period after exercise when muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Research shows that consuming 20 to 40 grams of protein within 30 minutes post-exercise enhances muscle recovery by up to 22%. Slow digesting protein, such as casein taken before sleep, provides a steady release of amino acids overnight. A study found that athletes who consumed 40 grams of casein protein before bed experienced 10% greater muscle protein synthesis compared to those who did not. But what happens to excess protein? While protein is essential, excessive intake does not lead to unlimited muscle growth. For athletes, excess proteins are deaminated in the liver, with the nitrogen excreted as urea in urine. This process can increase the workload on kidneys, though studies show that healthy individuals tolerate high-protein diets of 2.2 to 3 grams per kilogram per day without adverse effects. Here is a less-known fact. The carbon skeletons of excess amino acids are converted to glucose or fatty acids. If unused, they are stored as fat, which underscores the importance of aligning protein intake with activity levels and goals. Protein requirements vary based on activity type and intensity. Endurance athletes require 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram per day to repair muscle and support glycogen synthesis. Protein also aids in muscle recovery after long-duration efforts. Strength athletes need 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram per day to maximize muscle protein synthesis and prevent muscle breakdown. Studies show strength athletes consuming higher protein levels gain 27% more lean mass than those on lower protein diets. And athletes in a calorie deficit should consume 2.3 to 3.1 grams per kilogram per day to preserve lean muscle mass while losing fat. Protein supplements such as whey and casein are widely used by athletes for convenience and efficacy. Whey protein is absorbed within 30 minutes, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Its high leucine content triggers muscle protein synthesis effectively. Casein protein digests slowly over several hours, making it perfect for nighttime recovery or sustained amino acid delivery during long gaps between meals. Protein metabolism is not just a biological process, it's a cornerstone of sports science and athletic performance. Understanding how the body digests, absorbs, and utilizes protein allows athletes to tailor their diets to their training goals, ensuring they maximize recovery, build muscle, and maintain peak performance. Whether through proper timing, precise intake, or high-quality sources, protein is a powerful tool for achieving athletic success. By combining this knowledge with evidence-based practices, athletes can turn nutrition into a science-backed strategy for excellence. What's your protein strategy? Do you track your intake, focus on timing, or use supplements? Share your approach in the comments below, and let's discuss how to optimize protein for peak performance. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.